Imagine a Christmas vacation like no other. A journey that etches itself into your memory, creating a lifetime of joyous recollections. Picture the perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and festive cheer. First, choose your destination. Whether it's the snowy peaks of the Alps, the sun-kissed beaches of Hawaii, or the vibrant streets of New York City, the world is your oyster. Next, plan your activities: skiing, surfing, sightseeing, or simply curling up with a good book by the fire. The choice is yours. Remember, the key to the best Christmas vacation is balance. Balance between doing and being, between excitement and relaxation, and between indulgence and restraint. Finally, surround yourself with the ones you love. Because at the end of the day, it's not where you go or what you do, but who you're with that makes a Christmas vacation truly unforgettable. So go ahead, create the best Christmas vacation journey of your life. Make this holiday season one for the books. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more.